Here I have Motorola G31, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located here. So just put the tool inside the hole on the slot, next to the slot I mean. Then the slot will come out, and here you have to just insert your SD card and right next to it your SIM card. And then put it back into device just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. So let's enter it. And it also shows that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.